There's something seriously special happening with Samsung's software right now, and it's not just another small update. One UI 8.5 feels like a complete visual transformation, almost like Samsung took everything people love about iOS and Android, then blended them into something that looks and feels smoother, smarter, and way more personal. The kind of update that makes you want to play with your phone all over again just to see what's new. Welcome back, viewers! James here! If you're enjoying these deep dives into upcoming Galaxy updates, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns that keep you ahead of the curve. Now let's dive in. Right away, the lock screen gets a glow up. Samsung's added new clock styles that feel elegant and alive, while the dynamic motion effect you already know now looks cleaner and better balanced. But here's the thing. Imagine being able to apply that dynamic effect to every single clock design, not just one. That small tweak alone could make the lock screen feel like it's truly yours, and Samsung might just be testing that flexibility next. Once you swipe down to the quick panel, the visual jump becomes obvious. Every toggle, slider, and button is now customizable. You can resize them, rearrange the layout, even change the orientation from vertical to horizontal. And it looks stunning. The blur effect around the edges feels silky smooth, and the animation, when expanding the panel, is probably the most fluid Samsung's ever made. It's not just a feature change. It's a vibe shift. The same design language carries through the apps. The dialer now features a pill-shaped floating bar for switching between contacts, recents, and keypad, and it's so convenient you'll wonder how it wasn't always there. That same floating design continues in gallery, camera, weather, and settings, tying the entire system together with a consistent, premium feel. Speaking of settings, this is where One UI 8.5 quietly flexes its power. A brand new floating search bar now hovers at the bottom for faster access, and you can finally toggle the background battery color or switch that battery icon to a minimal text percentage. It's such a small detail, but it makes the interface feel clean and futuristic. Even the software update page got a total makeover with a subtle green, blue gradient that looks straight out of a concept render. But that's just the visual layer. The deeper changes are even cooler. Inside the camera app, Samsung added a hidden gem called Show Controls. In Pro Video mode, one tap hides all your buttons, giving you a full, distraction-free viewfinder. Hit it again and your settings pop right back. It's the kind of thoughtful detail that real creators will appreciate. Over in the gallery, things get wild. The long-rumored gallery assistant is now built right in. No need for extra downloads. You can select multiple images, tap the three-dot menu, and batch edit them all at once. Resizing, adding watermarks, flipping, clipping, even exporting as a PDF, all with a few taps. And yes, it supports video too. The gradient floating bar adds a bit of flair, although in this early version, it's still a little buggy. AI is also sneaking in more deeply. There's now a dedicated AI editing page that puts all your tools, like Object Eraser, Generative Edit, and Angle Adjust, right at your fingertips. No more hidden menus or scrolling through icons. Want to erase a reflection, fix shadows, or sketch something new and have AI generate it in seconds. It's all there, neatly organized, ready to play with. And Samsung didn't stop at visuals or AI. They're quietly making the connection experience smarter, too. Hidden under Intelligent Wi-Fi is a secret menu called Connectivity Labs. Tap it a few times, and you'll unlock switching to mobile data with AI. It basically learns your movement and connection patterns, automatically switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data so your streaming never hiccups. Subtle, but genius. Quick Share also gets a glow up. The send and receive animations now burst with color and motion, smooth gradients, soft transitions, giving you a little dopamine hit every time you share something. Even the cleanup tools in the gallery feel more polished. A new shortcut called Tidy Up combines shadow and reflection erasing into one tap. There's also Detail Enhancer, which automatically boosts image quality when you crop or remaster a photo, powered entirely by AI. One UI 8.5 isn't just about making the interface pretty. It's about making it feel alive. From smoother animations and polished transitions to subtle redesigns in contacts and phone apps, everything ties together with a sense of effortlessness that Samsung's been chasing for years. The direct voicemail feature in the phone app, for example, lets callers leave voice messages directly, a surprisingly practical feature that feels long overdue. And this is just the beginning. Future builds of One UI 8.5 are already rumored to include even more visual polish, deeper AI integration, and extra animation tweaks across the board. Samsung's clearly aiming for an ecosystem where your device not only looks amazing, it feels intelligent, reactive, and personal. So that's your early taste of One UI 8.5, a version that quietly transforms your Galaxy into something smoother, smarter, and more human. Drop your favorite feature in the comments below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's coming next. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.